Are you struggling to track your Shopify sales in GA4? Don't worry. In today's video, I will show you how to set up GA4 e-commerce tracking step by step by using Google Tag Manager. By the end, you will be able to track sales and optimize your ads for maximum ROI. To make it easy for you, I will share a document in this video's description where you will find the tags, triggers and required variables. So without further delay, let's get started. To get started, first you will need a Google Tag Manager container. You can easily create the Tag Manager account by go to the tagmanager.google.com. Then we'll need a Shopify data layer. The data layer is the provide us the product information dynamically. And I will edit the data layer code in this video's description. Now we need to edit the data layer to our Shopify website. Select all the data layer code. Then go to your Shopify website and select setting. Then select the customer events and create a add custom pixel. Enter here any pixel name. Then select add pixel and paste it here the copied data layer code. And go to the top section. Then we need to replace the Google Tag Manager container ID. Then we need to make some two changes. The data cell will be the does not qualify and the permission will be the not required. Then select and select connect. If I select the test and this redirected to our website, and you can see here is there's some product information details like the product viewed. This is a standard event and here is the price, the variable, the amount, currency. Record these parameters for the dynamic GA4 e-commerce conversion tracking. Then I'm closing this window. Our data layer is connected, done. Then I will provide the GA4 tags, triggers and variables data layer list in this video description. And first of all, we need to create some required triggers. Go to the tag manager and select the triggers. And if you are using the Shopify data layer, then your triggers will be like this. And if you are using the different data layer, then your triggering will be the different. And you can easily create, just go to the new trigger and the trigger configuration, the custom event, and paste it here the event name. Like for this is for view item, then select the shape and enter here the trigger name. And you can see I have created already the 10 selected triggers for the GA4 e-commerce tracking. And then we need to create some required variables in the variable section. Again, visit your website and select the visit your store. If I select any single product page and go to the inspect and the console section, here in console section, this you will get the event name, and this is our page view event, and here is the view item event. If I click this one, and you can see here is our common cookie. It's required for the server-side tracking. It's really important. The next video I will show you how to set up the GA4 e-commerce server-side tracking. Then this is our e-commerce items array for the GA4. Now we need to create the items array and the currency variable and for the value variables. Again, go to the Google Tag Manager and then select the add new tag. Then variable configuration, we need to create some required variables. I have added the required variables parameter here. This is for the all tags variables. This is for the purchase tags. Then go to the tag section and if you want to create the items array, right here the variable name. This will be the e-commerce.items, and save this and enter here the variable name. For example, I have write it here this name, and you can use the different name. And I have already created the required variables here. You can see And if you want, you can use the Google Tag Manager template. I will edit this template in this video description. You can easily input your Google Tag Manager container and you will get all the created tickers and variable listed. Then if you are using the template, then you will get the recreated the variable list. And if you want to use the creating everything from scratch, then you have to select the constant variable, then go to your Google Analytics section. In this Google Analytics 4 account, select the admin and select the data stream. Then you have to edit a new stream, select that stream, and this will be the web, and select yes and enter here your Shopify store URL. Then enter here any stream name, then select the create and continue. And as you can see, I have already created a data stream. Then copy the stream ID and copy the measurement ID, paste it here again, this name for the variable name, or you can use the different variable name. So I have already created, just I want to replace my current the variable, the measurement ID. Okay, now you have to create some required variables. This will be the for page location, the page referrer, and the page title is really important for GA4 e-commerce tracking. Then you have to create it for if you want the coupon, and you have to create it the customer type. This is the advanced GA4 e-commerce tracking required. And for the GA4 shipping transaction ID, you can easily create this variable by get this data layer from console. Then select the Google Tag Manager. Now we will create the tags. Go to the tags and then select the new tags and tag configuration. This will be the Google Analytics GA4 event. Then we already created the measurement ID constant variable. Edit the GA4 measurement ID. This is the first event name. This will be the page view. And we need to create tags. Just select the create tag and then select save. Your Google tag will be created. And here is showing the Google tag is found this container. It's really important. Then we need to select the event parameters. Select the add parameters for the page view, and don't worry, I have already listed here the event name. Just you have to copy it and paste it here in the Google Tag Manager tag section. And our first the event parameter will be the page location, and this one will be the page referrer. And the third one will be the page title. And we have already this value for the page location. I'm adding the value. And we need the page referrer. Then I will edit the page title. And the triggering will be the page view. And will be the page view, right? Everything is fine. Then select, and this one will be the page view. And if you want, you can use any custom name. Congratulations, our first tag is created, done. Let's some setting to this Google tag configuration. Select the configuration tag and select the send page view. This will be the false because we have already created the separate page view tags for the GA4. And then select the tags, select the tags configuration. Again select the GA4 event and again edit the measurement ID. GA4 measurement ID we already created the constant variable. Then this one will be the view item. And again we need to select the event parameter here. Then the event parameter will be page location, page referrer, and page title. Now we need to edit more parameters for the view item event. I added required event parameters name here for the GA4 view item. It's really important. If you skip any parameters from here, then GA4 will not correctly receive the data from your website. Now we need to edit the currency parameter value here. This one will be the value parameter. I added the required parameters and then triggering will be the view item. Then select save. Sorry, let me replace the event name. This one will be the view item. Now let's create for add to cart tags. Again, added the GA4 measurement ID. This one will be the event name. Make sure you have write the correct event name here. Then we need to edit the required more event parameters for add to cart. I added the required event parameters here. Now I'm adding again the event parameter value. Then the triggering will be the add to cart. Then select save and enter here the event name. Now again select the new tags and the tag configuration. Again select the GA4. Then event name will be, this one will be for the view source. Now we need to edit the again the event parameters. Again we have to edit the event parameter value for the view source. Then select the triggering. This triggering will be the source. Then select save and again enter here the name and select again save. Now again select the new and the Google Analytics GA4 and again get the measurement ID, and this one will be for the view cart. Now again we need to edit the event parameters. I have added again the required variables. Then select the triggering and this one will be the view cart. Select view cart and select save. Again enter here the tag name, then select again the save. Now again select the new tag configuration and then again enter here the event name. This one will be the remove from cart. Now we need to edit again the event parameter value. Then again select the triggering. This one triggering will be the remove from cart. Then select save and again enter here the your tag name. Then select save again and again select the new tag configuration, and the event name will be the begin checkout. Again we need to edit the event parameter. Now again we need to edit the event parameter for the begin checkout. I added the required parameters here. Now we need to select the triggering. This on triggering will be for the begin checkout. Then again select the shape and rename the tag for the begin checkout. Then again select shape. Then again select the tag configuration, then Google Analytics GA4, then edit the GA4 measurement ID here. This event name will be the add shipping info. Again we need to add parameter here. Then we need to edit the event parameter value. I added the required parameters. After adding the required parameters, then we need to again select the triggering. This one will be for add shipping info. Then select shape. Then we need to again select the new, and the tag configuration will be the Google Analytics GA4 event. Then edit again the measurement ID. We need to add the more to the events. Select the add payment info and select the event parameter here. Then again we need to edit the event parameter value. Then again select the triggering. This triggering will be the add payment info. Select save and enter here the rename tag. Now again select the new and the tag configuration. This is our the final and the last tag. Select the Google Analytics GA4 event. Again edit the GA4 measurement ID. Then paste it here the event name. Then again select the event parameter. For the purchase event, I already mentioned we need the more extra parameter, the transaction ID, the customer type, and then select the coupon if you want to see the coupon on GA4. Then select the shipping. Then select the text. If you want, you can add more parameters if you need or improve your business. And now we need to edit again the event parameter value. For the purchase event, we need to send the transaction ID to GA4, and I've already created the transaction ID, the parameter here, and the customer type. This one will be for the coupon and the shipping. I added the required parameters for the purchase event. Then again select the triggering. The triggering will be the purchase. Then select save and rename the tag. Congratulations, we have created the all required tags for the GA4 e-commerce tracking. And if you want, you can edit the more tags for the GA4. After creating the all triggers, then select submit and enter the version name. Then select publish. After submit the Google Tag Manager container, we have to wait few minutes. After few minutes later, go to the Google Analytics GA4 account property. Then select the report, or you can go to the debug view. In the debug view section, visit the Shopify website. After visiting our Shopify website, we need an extension. The extension name is the Google Analytics GA Debugger. You will get this extension from Google Web Store. I will edit this extension, the install link in this video description. Make sure the extension is turned on, then make some activity to your website and go to the Analytics GA4 debug view, and you can see the page view event is fired and the GA4 is received the page view event. If I select the add to cart, then select the view cart. In the view cart section, and if I remove this product for the testing our setup is correctly working or not, and again I have to go to the website homepage and I can select the another product, then I will go to the checkout. And if I go to the GA4 debug section in GA4, and you can see the page view, the view item, the add to cart event is firing, and here is our item parameter, and this is the value, the page location, and everything is receiving perfectly. And this is our begin checkout and add shipping event is fired as well as. And if I enter my the dummy information to making a test purchase, then I will select the pay now. The purchase is completed, and if I go to the Google Analytics GA4 property section in the debug new section, and you can see here is the purchase event is fired, and here is the items, the product details, and if I the parameter section check currency here, and here is the page title, the shipping and the tax and the transaction ID and the value, everything is receiving perfectly. And sometimes can be debug view not receiving or not showing you the data, but don't worry, we can check another way. Go to the report section, and in the report you will select the real-time overview, as well as you can see the user activity here, and you can see there is the event name, the view item, add to cart, shipping, checkout, the purchase, payment info, remove cart, the view cart, everything is perfectly working. That's mean our setup is accurately working. And here is the purchase event is fired, the event name is the key event, and if you want you can also make the key event for the add to cart, because it's depend on to your goal. This is one of my USA client store, and you can see here is showing the active user, and here is the total revenue is the for last 28 days. The top countries here is showing the United States, and everything is perfectly working. And if your setup is perfectly working, then you will receive these types of data from to your website. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching this video. If you need help setting up GA4 e-commerce tracking or prefer an expert to handle this for you, I would love to assist you. Feel free to book a call with me using the link in the description or send me an email. My contact details are listed below. Let's work together to ensure your tracking is accurate and your ads are working efficiently. See you in the next video.